Hello students, I am Rekha Verma, your science teacher. Today I will teach you chapter 16, Garbage in, Garbage out, standard 6. First of all, what is waste? Waste a material that has no longer any value to the person who is responsible for it. This is not used in our life. It's a just waste. Sources of waste. What is sources of waste? So here I will explain one by one. Domestic wastage, garbage, rubbish, excreta, ashes, slush are domestic wastage. So that are the mainly comes from the house. Industrial wastage, wastage produced by industries. The common industries wastage are smoke, plastic objects, glass, fly, etc. Now, agriculture wastage. Common agriculture wastage are rice husk, dried stems, and straw beads and cattle beads. That are agriculture wastage. Commercial wastage, wastage generated from commercial establishments such as shops, malls, store, restaurant, hotels, motels, printing press, auto repair, shops, medical facilities. That are commercial wastage. So here we talked about the different types of wastage: domestic wastage, industrial wastage, agricultural wastage, and commercial wastage. Now, what is the types of wastage? So here types of wastage I will explain. Biodegradable wastage, wastage which can be broken down through the action of microorganism into their simple constituents. Example: plant products, organic wastage, domestic refuses, and animal wastage. So that are completely decomposed in the soil. So it is biodegradable wastage. Non-biodegradable wastage, wastage which cannot be distinguished by action of microorganism and remains unaffected from decomposition. Example: plastic, glass, metal, scraps, etc. So that are non-biodegradable wastage that are not completely decomposed in the soil. Third one is plastic. Plastic we are using in our daily life, or it is very important for us. Many things are made up of plastic like bags, shoes, bottles, pipes, pens. In our house, different type of things are also used in plastic like refrigerator parts, television parts, car, motorcycles, and many things we can see there are using of plastic. So it cannot be converted into less harmful substances by composting. Okay, so now what is the ill effect of plastics? प्लास्टिक के एडवर्स इफेक्ट, बैड इफेक्ट्स क्या है? सो वी विल डिस्कस हेयर. So burning emits poisonous gas which causes health problem. Food thrown in plastic bags are eaten by stray animals which can lead to death. Carelessly thrown plastic bags choke sewer system. Food stored in bad quality plastics can be harmful. So that are the ill effect of plastics. So we use plastics very carefully. Management of plastics: do not throw the plastic here and there after use. Don't burn plastic bags and other plastic items. Use paper or cloth bags in place of plastic bags. Educate friends and family members about the proper disposal of plastics. So here we have to use and throw this plastic very carefully, because this is not friends only, also for harmful for us. So we should be careful. Management and disposal of wastage. So here is here we will talk about how can be managed and disposable of the wastage. So 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. It means the reduce waste production, reuse materials, and recycle and reprocessing of waste material for making new products. Landfill or composting: converting plants and animal waste, including that from kitchen, into manure is called composting. Low laying open area to decompose biodegradable wastes. Vermicomposting method of preparing compost with the help of red worms. Excreta of the worms make the compost very rich in nutrients. Landfill is an area where the garbage collected from a city or town is dumped. The area is later converted into a park. Paper can be recycled to get useful products. We can use waste paper in recycle like a paper bags, envelope, etc. Plastic cannot be converted into less harmful substances by the process of composting. We need to generate less waste and find ways to dealing with the increasing amount of garbage in our surroundings. Thank you.